Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Acquaid Academy. I hope you are enjoying my videos, my contents, and please subscribe my channel and watch my videos till the end so that I can make more interesting content in the near future as well. Today I am going to share with you another advanced Excel formulas which is very effective but very simple. So the formula is your filter formula, right? So filter formula, here is my data, state, customer name and revenue, and accordingly the data is here. Now my boss asked me to find all customers and its revenue from the state. So what I have done is I have just written here the state name Maharashtra, right? Now look this. If I use VLOOKUP, before I start this, I must say that I am not criticizing any formulas of Excel. All are good. But it depends upon the requirement. What is the requirement? Accordingly, you have to apply your formulas. So if I use VLOOKUP here, then only single result will come because VLOOKUP generally fetch only single result. Okay, so it will not work for me. If I filter it out manually, then it will also take long time. So the best and interesting formula is your filter. So what you will do, just type equal to, then filter, then tab. Now it is asking for me the array. Array is nothing but the range. So I'll select this is my range. Okay, comma. Now include what you want to include. I want to find out the all customers its revenue from the state. So I'll include state here. So I just select the state equals to what I want from where I want. I want this from the state. So here is my column where I have written my state. So I'll select this and just enter. You will get the result. Now the beauty of this formula is you need not to do it again and again. It is a dynamic one. Okay, now just type here Punjab and enter. You will get Punjab. If you want it the Jharkhand, you will get it Jharkhand. Okay, so I hope you understood how to use this formula and where to use this formula. Thank you for watching my videos. Again, I am requesting all of you to please subscribe my channel and watch my videos till the end and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my channel.